Okay, so we're going to solve by completing the square. So, hang on. The equation we're going to start with is 8x squared minus 32x minus 24, and this equal to 0. So first you're going to add 24 to both sides, and then you'll get 8x squared minus 32x equals 24. At this point I'm going to factor out the 8, which means just like divide all of the numbers on this side by 8, so then you get 8 parenthesis x squared minus 4x, because we have to get a perfect c value right here in order to complete the square, and by getting the perfect c value you have to do opposite of b over 2 squared. So then that would be just 4, so then you would do plus 4. Nope, that's 24, my bad. Okay, and then because you added 4 on this side but there's an 8 in front, you have to distribute this, but you have to add the same amount at both sides so it's even. So then you would add 32 to this side. Let's just go down here, and then so it would be 8x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 56. Now at this point we're going to want to factor, and this right here without the square, so it would be just 2. That's actually how you factor it more. The half of this, the half of the b is the how you factor it, because if you distribute these two next to each other, x minus 2 and x minus 2, you get x times x is x squared, and then minus 2x, and then minus 2x minus 4, and then that would equal that. Oops, I can't see that very well. Okay. From there, the equation is 8x minus 2 squared equals 56. Right here you divide by 8, and then just equals x minus 2 squared equals 7, and then you take the square root of that, but you have to do plus or minus because there's two different answers when you square root something. So x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 7 plus 2 plus 2, and then you get x equals plus or minus the square root of 7 plus 2. And that is how you solve by completing the square.